Okay, I have to keep starting this all over, and it's affecting my trading. 55, I might be going red for the day, so I need to think about exiting this position. Oh, that's a good sign. So I took 3 trades today. I took a counter trend on fast. I took a high of day, a pullback, and then a break for the high of the day. And then now I'm counter trending it. I'm counter trending the stock because I think it's gone too high. It's at its all-time high is right here, is 36.52. I think it's due for a pullback. I think I'm in a safe spot. I don't know what the news is. It's pretty good, but stock's up 15%. It needs a pullback to VWAP. It hasn't had one yet. Well, it did had one, but it hasn't really gone that much higher, and it's making so far, but I don't know if I'm going to get that lucky. It's making lower highs, but it just made a little bit higher low. So if it makes a higher high here, I might be screwed, and that would be at 36.19 would be the higher high. So it hasn't quite done that yet. It did have a strong move right here, back up. So what happened is, I took this first trade right here for the breakdown. It came back up, hit the 9. I got stopped out. Then I took it short again, and I thought, wow, I'm in an ascending triangle, and look what it did. It went back up again. Then I went ahead. I saw it having weakness, so I took it short one more time. Maybe I should have taken profits right here, but I looked at my P&L and I got a little greedy. But I'm really hoping that it comes back to maybe this level, 65. That's my hope. I've been in enough of these right now to know if I don't stay in them. If I don't stay in them, sometimes I really just, you lose. So you got to have your stop out points. And I think my max pain, even though I don't want to say it, is right here at 26.32. I think that's my very max pain. If it were to go there and I'm in the stock at 07, I mean, that's not the greatest, it's not good risk to reward at all. It's a 2-to-1, right? Yeah, 40, 25. So it's roughly a little under a 2-to-1. So that's my max pain right there. There you go. If it were to do that, I think I would be willing to get out at that point. I need it to lose here on some volume and just sell down. If it were to hit that 72 mark or even the 64 mark, I would get out. And I think it can do that because it's so far up, although it could have returned to a high of the day just because it's been basing for so long, it's trading in a range. But I think it has an intraday move back to the VWAP. It might even sell off more, I don't know. But my target is VWAP. So, and as you can see on the 15-minute chart here, the 9 is coming up to meet VWAP, so that would be a definite area for me I wouldn't want to hold past. I definitely want to take it out right there. I don't know if I'm being gifted something right now, and this is going to be a major pullback, but I like the fact that it sold up and then it didn't hold and now it's selling off again. This is an engulfing on a let's see what it does here. If it does anything, I'll take some profit. There we go. I got pushed back down on some volume. 84, we're all over the place. Okay, this is the moment of truth. You want to see it sell off right here. I do not want to see it come back. It looks like it's going to sell back up. Holy cow. Will you just die? Okay. Golfing 15-minute candle is significant. We're halfway in the candle though, so that might not be what I want. I've got 81, 82, 83, 84, stacking, 180. It's just really range bound. So that's an indecision candle. Small volume is going to drive this sucker up, big volume is going to drive it down. I don't want to scalp trade this. And I think that's going to bite me in the ass. Not wanting to scalp trade it, I think I'm going to pay the price. This is obviously a strong level of support right here. 80. 80 significant for why. I gotta find why. Why is 80 more significant than 72? And this is a strong level right here, 81. 1, 2, 3. Who's support right here? 4. What the hell is with 80? 80, 80, 80, 80. Is that? $86. So it's right at the all-time high right now, 95. That is the all-time high. Well, it's the high for several years. So 95 is the high. Goes past there, then it goes back up to its recent all-time high, 49. I don't know why this 80 is so significant. I know that I feel better with 61 as being a level. No, I feel better with this right here. 65 is my level. I like on the 15. Dang, man, I really think it has it in it, but if it bounces off 80 one more time, I'm going to have to get out of the stock. That would be 3 taps off 80. Here's its all-time high right here. Okay, it passed it. It's going. Are we just range bound? 1110. Small volume drives it up. We're going to need some more weakness in it. So it came up, it's basing out. It looks like this is consolidation. It's going to go. Let's see what that looks like on the 5-minute chart. Consolidation. Max pain has to be 3632. This could be a really big dump. So maybe 35.95 is support, and what's happening is this thing is just trading just slightly under that and then going to wrap around that for a day, for a while. 13 million shares in. It's traded twice its normal volume. What did it do last time? It had a bunch of volume. Didn't sell up this much, but it bottomed out. There must be a weekly level or something. So let's see if this turns into be an ABCD pattern. These reversals, man, they're tough because you have to stay in them. and you kind of have to ride them out. And they're not really like this right here. It's going to break. It could be a false break. So it just sells down. The volume isn't there on the 5, but the move is. The candles are showing it's a big move. It looks like I'm going to get stopped out for a pretty decent loss. Have a red day of $100 maybe. Let's see what it does right here. Could it go to the moon? More than likely it could. I'm losing the risk to reward. It's becoming not in my favor. That must be some really damn good news. Let's see if it loses it here. Volume's still coming into it. Got a new 1 minute candle. Let's see where the volume goes. Volume is definitely slowing down. Okay, I'm going to hop out for a minute. Let's see if it goes a little higher. If it goes the all-time high, I'll jump back in and leave it. I'm back in. There, I'm back in at 450. There we go. Alright, so I'm just going to stay in and let this thing go. I should have stayed in before, that's what hurt me. Oh, what a pain in the butt. Oh, it's going to do it again. You know what? I am just not going to have a massively horrid day. So I'm going to be in this thing 6,000 shares times 0.062. That's $37. $150 max loss. That means 37. So $70 if I lose $70 on this trade. My motto is buy high, sell low, or buy low when you're shorting it and sell high. Should have taken the $120 profit and I'd be up, but I wouldn't feel right about the trade, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, I wouldn't have felt good, so it's pointless. And that's why I'm trading. So to get back to where I'm even profitable at this point, 31.66, I have to have that move to the VWAP. To get back to real profit, I have to have a move down to here. down to 35.25 to get back to where I had the profit I had before, because I wanted to trade one more time to prove that I'm a good trader when I already was a good trader. That's nuts. That is absolute nuts. Huh. That's really crazy. Well, I've come this far. 35.38, my stop's going to be 36.52, and I'm going to call it good. And that's how I'm going to end my day. And I don't know how it's going to turn out. I don't even care at this point. I know I could be a loser or winner, so whatever. I'm going to set a range order for that. It won't be horrid. It won't be wretched if I lose that much money. It'd be a $150 loss. It's something I can stomach, so I'm going to do that. First, I'm going to see if I can buy 25 more shares, though. Oh, I got 25 there. 475. There, I have almost my full buying power back. So anyways, I'm going to do that right now. Okay. Range 36.52. 36.52 would do it. Is there a spread? What's the spread? I know. Okay. 36.53. 36.53. And then my stop out, my profit target is 35. 35.25. Would I trade like this? Yes, I would trade like this. Unfortunately, I would. Hey, it's executed.